India's first war memorial for animal to be set up in which city? Meerut. Who appointed as the next brand ambassador of India to Nepal? Binay Mohan Kwatra. Which country way to host ICC ODI Women's World Cup 2021? New Zealand. Union government will launch a scheme to reduce the tax litigation विवाद से विश्वास तक. India will have the largest working age population in the world by 2030. India will host G20 presidency in the year of 2022. The 27,000-kilometer train track electrification by 2024. The World Wetland Day is celebrated on every year 22nd February, and the theme of the 2020 Wetland Day is Wetland and Biodiversity. World Wetland Day was celebrated for the first time in 1997. Which state grabbed the first position for implementation of PM Matru Vandana Yojana? Madhya Pradesh. Which country ranks first in breastfeeding support policy and program? Sri Lanka. Who wins the men's single title Austria Open 2020? Novak Djokovic. World Cancer Day observed across the world every year on 4th February, and the theme is I am and I will. What is the estimated fiscal deficit for 2020 to 2021 Union Budget? 3.5%. What is the maximum insurance provided for bank deposits? Budget 2020 5 lakh. As per the Economic Survey 2019 to 2020, which state has cheapest vegetarian thali food plate? Jharkhand. Which country has largest constitution? India, and the smallest constitution is Monaco. Which nation's constitution to write take long time? Australia 9 years. United States list in 4 months, and India is 2 year 11 month 18 days. India's biggest rural technical festival Antha Pragyan 2020 kicks off at Basar TS. Who is India's next ambassador to Sri Lanka? Gopal Bagle. Who is the new chairman of the Coal India? Pramod Agrawal. India ranks in 2019 Global Go to Think Tank Index is 27th. According to WHO, the case of which disease can rise to 81% by 2040. Cancer. Which country introduced the Sustainable Development Tax for a regional tourism? Bhutan. Which Intel magazine and named RBI Governor Shaktikant Das as the Central Banker of the year 2020. The Banker. What is the name of the trust that will be set up for construction of Ram Temple in Ayodhya? Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra. Which state has launched the Jan Sevak scheme? Karnataka. Jan Sevak scheme, Karnataka. Who has been recently appointed the Prime Minister of Iraq? Muhammad Alwi. Who to be the in Team India's Goodwill Ambassador for Tokyo Olympic 2020? Saurabh Ganguly. Where will India's 13th major port to be constructed in which state? Maharashtra. Who will be the head of the recently constituted Ram Mandir Trust by government? K. Prasaran. Which will become the first country to digitize the entire Hajj process? India. Which state tops in the best performing growth UNDP India report? Telangana. Which bank launched the first state of its kind 24 into 7 self-service delivery facility? iBox. ICICI Bank. What is the rank of India in producer of crude steel while China at top? Second. The Intel Seafood Show 2020 begins in Kochi. Which city recently certified the UNESCO's World Heritage City? Jaipur. What is the rank of India in Intel Intellectual Property Index 2020? 40th. Who won the International Gandhi Award for Leprosy in the individual category? Dr. N.S. Dharme Saktu. Who won the Intel Gandhi Award for Leprosy in the institution category? Leprosy Mission Trust India. Which state government will deploy drone to map villages? Madhya Pradesh. Which country report highest number of novel coronavirus case outside the China? Japan. Which state topped in best practice followed by the state in budget formulation? Assam. As per FICCI's economic outlook survey, India's GDP will grow at 5%. Which country's army deploys world's first bullet proof helmet? India. What is the projected growth rate of India during the next financial year 2020 to 2021 by RBI? Sixth. Name the NASA's astronauts come back to the Earth after recorded state 328 days in space. Christina Koch. How much donation WHO called to fight the novel coronavirus? USD 675 million. India has set as the target to installing the 100 gigawatt solar power plant by December 2022. Name the Indian origin scientist who leads the team to develop the coronavirus vaccine. SS Vasan. India's biggest rural technical festival, Antha Pragyan 2020, keep off in which city? Hyderabad. As per the Fitch rating, India's GDP to grow at how much percentage in financial year 2021? 5.6%. The 11th edition of Defense Expo 2020 will be held in which city? Lucknow. Which rail becomes the second largest metro network in India after Delhi? 391 km. Hyderabad Metro 69.2 km. Which team wins the Khelo India Ice Hockey Championship? Ladakh Scott. World Pulse Day observed globally on 10 February. National Dorming Day observed in 10 February. Which film has become the first non-English film to win the Oscar for the Best Picture? Parasite. Which city organized a national conference of G-Governance 2020? Mumbai. Who became the first Indian to receive the IOC Coaches Honorable Mention? Pulia Gopichand. Which Hollywood actor is playing Dr. Kalam in his upcoming biopic? Muhammad Ali. Which state received the award for e-governance 2019-2020? Andhra Pradesh. The book title A Children of Destiny is autobiography of K. Ramakrishnan Rao. Thank you.